Hey everyone, this is Tyler Berry back for another whiteboard session. Today we're going to talk about inline pumps and the different styles and configurations that are available through Bell Gossett. We're going to start with the E60. Now this is the big ease of maintenance type pump for light commercial applications. It has a unitized one-piece seal. It also has to be mounted horizontally. What does that mean? Is that actually the pump motor has to be parallel to the ground. However, you can rotate the volute to match the piping. Now as we go up in terms of flows and capabilities, we should start looking at the standard E90s or the E80s. These are the close coupled versions of this E60. However, there's more flexibility options in terms of motor RPMs and 1200 and 3600 RPM motors that can be mounted to this. One thing to keep in mind though is that since this is close coupled, you have to remove the motor to replace the seal. Another thing is this can be mounted both horizontally and vertically as opposed to the E60 that we just talked about. Now as we get more and more larger flows and heads and capabilities and motor sizes, we should really start looking into the E80SC, which means split coupled. Now the split coupled designs means you don't have to move the motor to replace the seal. So we start seeing these in sort of our larger horsepowers in terms of 30, 50, up to even 200 horsepower in terms of frame sizes for these motors, and there's a lot more options and capabilities here. Now this was just going over inline pumping. Tune in next time, we're going to start going over base mounted pumps and some of the advantages of doing base mounted and the differentiators between doing base mounted versus an inline pump. So thanks again for your time. If you got any questions, reach out to us. Thanks again.